Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Today, our honorable customer visit our shop. He has Toyota Invincible. His remote key fob has been broken. We just changed his remote key fob and cut the key with driver door lock pattern and shifted the transponder and remote transmitter into the newly cut remote key fob casing. And also we make sub key for him. You can see the sub key into the ignition for programming. After programming, car will start with sub key. You can see programming is in progress. Security light is blinking. Wait for security light stop blinking. Wait for about 60 seconds until the immobilizer light turn off. After programming, car will start with sub key. Now you can see immobilizer light is still blinking. Let's complete 60-second procedure. When the immobilizer light gone, car will start. Wait for 60 seconds. Now you can see the immobilizer light has gone and car is start with sub key. Car is start with sub key. Let's check the original one, which is newly remote key fob. See, the car is also start with the original remote key fob. Let's check the sub key once again. See, the car is started, alhamdulillah, successfully. Due to coronavirus, we are providing for our honorable client outdoor services. The regions of our services is Islamabad, Rawalpindi, Attak, Wah, Texla, Hassanabdal, Rawat, Gujran, Dina, Jhelum, Kahota, Attak, Sohawa. These are the region. If anyone need our services, they can freely contact with us. Please like, share, subscribe our official YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.